Hello, how are you? Today we're going to make a crazy crust peach pie. First you need to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Next you're going to open a 20-ounce can of sliced peaches and drain the liquid, but reserve it, you'll need it in a moment. Add whole milk to the juice to make 1 cup total liquid. Then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla to the milk mixture and stir. Now add 1 cup of sugar to the mixing bowl. To this, add 1 cup of self-rising flour. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and stir. This can be done by hand, there's no need for a mixer. Next, add the peaches to the mix and stir them in. Next, spray an 8x8 baking dish with cooking spray and add your batter. Next, slice 1 stick of butter into about 10 to 12 pieces. Place the pats of butter evenly across the top of the pie. Next, bake in a 350-degree oven for about 40 minutes, depending on how hot your oven is. The pie will be done when golden brown. I hope you enjoy. Thank you, and please like and subscribe.